Hey YouTube, Sabled Off Grid Adventure, bringing you these nilights, 5-inch dual row ones. These ones are 72 watts, put out 10,800 lumens. They are the yellow flood beam ones, good for like fog, snow, dust, rain, all that kind of ones. A little better than the white. They have 24 3-watt high intense LEDs. They do work between 12 volt and 24 volt. They are 5.3 inches long, 4.3 inches tall, and 2.6 inches wide. They do come with a 2-year warranty, just like all the other nilights. They are also made out of the 6063 aluminum. I believe it's the IP67 waterproof, dust-proof, anti-corrosion, all that. It does come with a 12-foot harness with a 40 amp relay. And I have looked up that relay and it does handle up to 700 watts maximum. The button here is halfway decent. Has a pretty decent click to it. Get you the part number and everything there. Alright, these are the dual row, as you can see. Does have the nilight here on one side. This side doesn't have it. You can see the coating there. It's not powder coated or anything though, so won't last forever. Yeah, overall good lights, I would say so far. I'm excited to hook them up and see what they do on the back roads while we're out and about. Alright, YouTube. Yeah. Give me a like and subscribe if you want to follow along. I'm going to be doing some adventures here soon. Showing you all how these work once they get all hooked up. Alright, have a good night. Stay safe out there, YouTube.